Stone is beauty, strength, elegance, but above all, form. A form that becomes anything through the power of technology. With the complete Biesse Stone range, every material finds its optimal solution. Every step is engineered to bring your vision to life. With Biesse Stone Portfolio, precision is no longer a limitation. It's the tipping point that unlocks freedom in your industrial process. Find your perfect fit. Cutting, multi-machining, edging, finishing, whatever your challenge, you will find endless possibilities for your needs. Discover our stone portfolio by visiting our unique material hub around the world.